love me some comparisons. I'm excited. This is your Talaria X3 Pro. This is your Sur-On Light BX. Woo! This will help you decide, okay? Because it's hard. Point goes to the Light X. It has removable battery. That's, of course, you want a removable battery because it doesn't matter where you put this thing. You can always, the bike can be in the cold, but the battery's got to come in and you got to love it and care for it, okay? Tire size. Hold on, let me get my glasses. That didn't help me at all. 7100. Okay, they're the same size. Verified. Verified. Pivot. So they're frame pivots when you jump. But look at the quality and length of the suspension on this one. And then you can tell these guys compete with each other because midway through the year, Talaria put in the Pro Series, which has the linkage, because people are jumping these things. Like they're doing wild, wild jumps. You need to have that support when you land, but obviously this is a better rear suspension on this one. And also if you look at the front, but let's go with looks and feel, girthier. That is girthier. This is not. Now I'm going to talk about the biggest thing. You cannot put a plate on the Talaria, the entire lineup. There's no NIVIS that comes with it. So you can't plate it. So if you're somebody who likes to follow the rules a little bit more and just feel better about licensing something, then you 100% have to go with Sur-On. We can plate them for you. That's no problem. Handlebars the same. This is lighter here, right? So agile is the word to compare the two of them. The Sur-On is lighter. It's a little more agile. This one's going to feel just a little bit bulkier. Chargers are the same. They're a 13 and a 12 amp hour, so they charge up the same. Honestly, a really hard pick. Same price, but more power in this one, a little bit lighter. But maybe you don't want that. Like I don't want to hit a throttle and immediately be flowing up. Like that doesn't work for me. That scares the shit out of me. So yeah, there you go. I hope I answered some questions, but at Ride the Wind, we've got these in the showroom. And so you can actually come here, touch, see, feel, and take one home with you. Thanks for watching.